I got my fursuit in November of 2021, and I have not released this video yet. I always planned on making a big one, but you know, I've had my fursuit for about a year now, which is crazy. It has been a wild, wild ride. It took about 6 months for me to get my fursuit. My fursuit maker is Scarlet Wings Fursuits. She's on Twitter. Go follow her. And I just remember everything just being so soft and so new, so fresh. Oh my goodness. So cute. So soft and gorgeous and beautiful. There were definitely a little bit of fluffies stuck on Z, but just fresh out the box, you know? These were the original paws that I got. I had them remade because they didn't fit my hands, but they are super cozy. They're lined. They're fantastic. My hands are just really big, unfortunately. And the tail before I went to any conventions, yeah, that's so funny. It's so scraggly now. I keep good care of it. It's just much scragglier. And the paws, oh my god. The feet paws. I have taken them on so many walks. Oh yeah, and I got a little bandana too. Scarlett sent me a bandana with my fursuit. I use the collar now though, so. Scarlett sent me a long tongue and eyelids as well. Thought that was really sweet of her to do. And Scarlett also sends in a little goodie bag for all of her new fursuit children. She sends in like little candies and like stickers and one of her fursuit pins. Super cute. And I'm gonna try it on for the first time. Oh my god. This is so long ago now. The suit looks a lot different now. I put the padding in and everything. Oh wow. Yeah. That's my fursuit unboxing.